Hi, my friends. You are all welcome to my YouTube channel on today. Today, I have brought you another video about a solar operated electrical fence. This is called uh, solar electrical fence. This electrical fence can be used to protect your garden, home from animal, from robbers and other things. Also, you can use this electrical fence without electricity, direct electricity, for any such like your gardens, farms and other things. On today on this video I will describe how to fix this one, what are the specification, what are the things what you want to be consider about when you're fixing uh, a solar electrical fence. On today video, me and my uh, son-in-law Taruk Sande went to a nearby uh, a pineapple garden that been situated close to our home, and this is how the solar panel electricity unit comes in. And you can see this unit was fixed in a higher uh, high top of a rock around. Then there are all the trees and others were removed from this one because the solar, you can see the fence going around the pineapple uh, plantation. It is about 2 acres pineapple plantation in here, and you can see there are uh, 5 wire solar fence was protecting this pineapple garden, right? We are demonstrating how to use these like of solar electrical fence, and this my Taruk's explaining what why we going to use solar electrical fence to protect the land such like your vegetable gardens and uh, farm and things such like. This is the solar panel, solar unit that comes in this uh, solar electrical fence. Which is most importantly, if you are used to, if you want the by using these like solar electrical fence, you will didn't want any electricity for here. You can see the around the area, this is the top of a mountain and there was no electricity around here. But you can have a solar electrical fence using such a like unit. This is a solar panel operator. You can see the wiring coming from here and goes to the fence from this end. There are two terminals, live wire and neutral wire. You can see the brand Unman. It is S4600 solar electrical fencing system. This electrical fence output is about 0.65 joule output is there, and you can see the power output is 115 kilometers for single wire. It is the important thing. If you use a single wire around your premises, you can use a wire close to 15 kilometers. If you are using two wires, you can it is come to uh, half of it. uh, this is how it come from. This unit include a solar panel and also a charging battery unit inside of it. And in the night time, it also work with these batteries, and the daytime it is working directly on sunlight, and it's emit a surge of current spark into the fence. That is uh, uh, about 6 kilo joule, and it is not harmful for human. But when it contact to animal or human, you can feel the impact of the current into your body and thing itself. And it is about just a touch, and it will you can experience on that way. But animals don't know what is this happen when he touch in a cable. He will have a shock for about 4 kilojoules. It will not kill him, but it will be a like a shot using an using your punch, like a punch shot for your face. That much energy will be output given out from your this solar. This is how the fence system works. You can see the solar unit, and it gives two output. One output is the phase one, and other one neutral one. You can see that C and B are the neutral part, you have to ground them into the earth to have a better uh, working. And the other new first part is D1, and you have the live wire into the fence, and from that way you can the circuit will operate only if you touch the ground, earth, and the wire. If it is the way that to have a shock. The such like animals and others always walk with barefoot, no, they will easily contact in the ground and the wire, then they will feel the shock. But if you wear shoes or other things without uh, terminal your legs into earth, you will not feel the effect of this one. So in the other, this is a one way, and you can use also D wire, not a live wire into one wire in the fence, and a neutral one for the other. So that if you contact with two wires in the same time, you will get shock. But mostly suitable method is the this shown method in the um, uh, drawing. It is one should be earth into the ground, and other part should be attached to the fence. Because we are mainly using this to protect the our garden or farming area from wild animal like such like elephant, monkeys, rodents, pigs, other in such a way. If this fence correctly work on night and day, they will give you protection to the your garden. All right, this is the mechanism of how it just fits into the system. Let's go into the uh, ground, down to the ground, and see this is it works in day and night. Let's see how the fence connects work on the field, how it had fixed. You guys, on this system there are a special type of cable used to build the fence. They come with the these systems. It is about white and red cable with nylon threading, and it a small wire is fixed into this wire, and this is my son-in-law explaining how this works. And you can see this is a 5, this is the they are the where that's where the solar unit was fixed, and then the wires came along on this one, and it has fixed to this fence like this way. Now you can see the wires were fixed into these wires. So we have a 6-line electrical fence here. I have mentioned that the wire is red and white wire with uh, titanium small current flowing mechanism on it. And if you use metal wire like ferrous wire, it will decay with the rain and the electricity on it. It will rot easily and decay. So the producers have produced a uh, wire that comes with a nylon threading, and you can use that for build your uh, fence. You can see you can use concrete fence fence uh, fixing rod, or you can use a wood uh, mechanism like this to fix the fence. uh, you can see our dog is either side of the fence, and he had never come close to the fence because he had connected this one several times. Now he not coming at all close at all. So as same as monkeys and other ones will not come at all close to this fence at all. And I had to mention that one thing, that you can fix this solar system on anywhere. Yeah, if there is sunlight into the field, you can use these wires, and you can see the wire. It is red and white, and it has some titanium electrical. Oh, don't touch it. Okay, electrical uh, wires going around it, and it will. You can see the surrounding where you can have to have a gate like this, and you can have that total around protection around your uh, garden or any your farm area. This is why I think you can see these in the fence where you can see these wires are fixed using a plastic strip, protective plastic protective. You can see here If you touch the column itself, the fence pole, you will not be you can see this is how where the fixing is going on. And that means without earthing, these parts can be these parts are available in the market. You can buy them. One unit about this 600 unit is it is about 36,000 in 2026. You can buy for a 36,000 the upper unit and in the market. And I think this information will be helpful for you if you are going to fix a solar electrical fence for your home or garden. Thanks for watching my video, and I think if this video is helpful for you, you have gained any knowledge out of it, please add a subscribe, and it will be helpful me, and I will be delighted to have another video about that from that. Thank you for being with me, and thank you very much.